Good morning children, welcome back to online classes. So children, in previous class I have started the revision for unit 6, that is States of India. So in this unit children, I have revised the first lesson, that is the States of India. In today's class children, I am going to revise the second lesson, that is Unity in Diversity. So let me explain very briefly whatever we discussed in so far classes. Okay children, so as we know it that children, India is made up of 28 states and 9 union territory. India is also called a melting pot of various cultures and traditions. It is a land of diversity in terms of religion, custom, creed, exhibits and tradition. Each state has their own culture and tradition. The way they are living the life, it is different to each other. Like in terms of food, in terms of custom, tradition, religion, languages, it is different from each other state. Yeah, my children. So, India is called a melting pot of various cultures and tradition. If you see only in the language, there are around 1,635 languages are there. 1,635 languages are there. And the Constitution of India recognized 22 as official languages. 22 as official languages. Okay children, if you see in the term of religions also, there are the numbers of religions are there in India. Yes, our constitution treat all the people equally. Our constitution treat all the people equally, equal for all the religion, and it also given the freedom for all the peoples to choose their own religions. Clear children? The religions that originated in India like Hinduism, Muslimism, Christianity, Buddhism and Sikhism. Zoroastrianism, it is originated in Iran. Like that, if you see in the festivals also, India is known for its diverse in cultures and colorful festivals also. Festivals like Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, Eid, Makar Sankranti, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, etc. Yeah, children. So all the religions have their own cultures and tradition. They have their own festivals. Yeah, and the way they are celebrating the festivals, the way they are wearing the dresses, the way they are speaking the languages, the way they are preparing the food, it is different from each other. Clear children? So like that we have some important events also like Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti are the national festivals. So children, here Diwali is celebrated by the Hindu people. It is celebrated by the Hindu peoples. And the next is the Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by the Christian people, the birth of Lord Jesus on 25th December. Next is the Eid al-Fitr, that is celebrated by the Muslim people. Next one, it is the Pongal is celebrated by the Hindu people in the Tamil Nadu. Onam is celebrated by the Hindu people in Kerala. They believe that it is the homecoming of the legendary king Mahabali. Clear, children? National festivals like Republic Day. Republic Day, children, we are celebrating. When we are celebrating the Republic Day, tell me, children. When we are celebrating on 26th January. And the next festival, national festival is, tell me, yes, it is the Independence Day. When we are celebrating, children, yes, on 15th August. One more, Gandhi Jayanti. When we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So children, these are national festivals. These are national festivals. So in this day, the school and colleges will get the holiday. They declare the holiday for colleges and school children. Okay, so these are the national festival. Okay, children. So then, like that only, India is also called the treasure house of culture. It is also called the treasure house of culture. India has also given the some unique and valuable gift to the world like yoga, medicine, digit zero, chess and trigonometry. It is in the maths. Okay, children, if you see the varieties of food, in India is having the amazing variety of food. It is diverse in the food also. If you see in the vegetarian only in the veg, the peoples are preparing the uncountable dishes. Like that in the non-veg also, they will prepare the numbers of dishes. If you see in the clothes they wear, like a sari, silk sari, Banarsi sari. So like that in the clothes also we can see the varieties. In the jewelry, India is also diverse in the jewelries also. Necklace, bangles, earring, finger ring, nose ring. You know, they are the diverse in the gold things also. So, this is all about the treasure house of India. So, the India is called the melting pot of various cultures and tradition. Okay, children. So, very briefly I have explained this lesson, children. Now it is time to revise the whatever exercise, question answers, filling the blanks I have given for you people. Open the EVS notebook, take a social part, write a day and date. Okay, children, write a day and date. Unit 6, States of India. Now you have to write the revision. Okay, children, open your EVS notebook. So first we see the filling the blank. So first name here, fill in the blanks. First one, Hindi in Devanagari script. Hindi in Devanagari script is recognized by the Constitution. Next one. Second one. Judaism, dash and dash came to India only a few centuries back. Only a few centuries back. So don't do the any spelling mistake, children. Write correctly all are. Now third one. Zoroastrianism originated in dash. Is Zoroastrianism originated in dash. Fourth one, the Constitution of India, the Constitution of India recognizes Now we see the next main children. True or false? The next main, that is the second one. True or false? So first one, the India flag is the India flag is hoisted at the India Gate at the India Gate, New Delhi, on Independence Day. On Independence Day. Second one, Diwali is celebrated. Diwali is celebrated with colors and waters. With colors and water. Next one. Next, third one, children. Hinduism. Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism originated in India. Originated in India. Last one, the Paramveer Chakra. Fourth one, the Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra medal is given to soldier. Given to soldier. Okay, children. Now we'll see that which sentence is a true or which sentence is a false. Okay, children. Now Options are soldiers, brave children, brave mothers of India, brave mothers of India. Last D, none of these. None of these. Second one. Okay, second one. All these are harvest festival. All these are harvest festivals. I will rub children this side. All these are harvest festival except options are Gudi Padwa, Gudi Padwa. Next, Holi, C, Pongal, D, Gandhi Jayanti. Next one, tableaus with national themes are tableaus with national themes are showcased in options A, New Delhi, B, New Mumbai, C, both A and B, both A and B. Last, none of these. Now children will tick the correct answers, okay? So here, first what they had given, the National Bravery Awards are conferred to whom? For whom it is given? For soldier, brave children, brave mothers of India, or none of these. It is given to the brave children. All these are harvest festival, except one only here, that is not the harvest festival. Gudi Padwa, Holi and Pongal fourth main. So fourth main is what? Give one word answer. Give one word answer. Four. Give one word answer. First one, auspicious day and occasion are. Auspicious day and days. Okay, days and occasions are celebrated as we have to write your answer, children. Next, 26th January is celebrated every year as dash. Next one, Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. Third one, Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary dash. Republic Day exhibits on moving vehicles. Fourth one, Republic Day exhibits on moving vehicles. Last one, the homecoming of the king. The homecoming of the king Mahabali dash. Now we'll write the answers here, children. So first, what are the heading first? The auspicious day and occasion are celebrated as. When we are celebrating, then mean which day? Yes, when the festivals are there. And the children, so what is the answer here? Answer is festivals. 26th January is celebrated every year as a which day? Which national festival? Yes, as a Republic Day. Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. Tell me, children. Yes, it is the copy and send me in the app for correction. Okay, children? So without doing any spelling mistake, children, you have to copy these all the things in your notebook. Okay, children? Thank you.